Chaitanya Dani, and today I already did this once and like about 1 week ago, but I decided to do a 10-minute version of it. And yeah, this is creating an animated video with Biteable. It's actually super easy and anybody can create it. Let's dive in. Okay, so now that we're done with the intro, I'm going to open a new browser and search up Biteable because that is the name of what we're going to be using. And search this. I'm just going to put that. We can start by saying make a video. It's free, but I can already log in, and I'm just gonna log in right now. Okay, so now that I've logged in, immediately this is the templates area. So that templates is basically where they automatically give you some videos, and at one point this was really helpful for me on another site, but yeah, this is also pretty helpful. So it's already pre-created videos, but it allows you to change them and mod them into your own things. So this is like an ad, this is for business, and all of these are for businesses. And yeah, so like this, and yeah, so if you can see, this ad is what it shows. You can change it. So let's just start with an empty video, and my demo video. Okay, continue. And now that we're at it, let's think of a topic to create. So my topics that I would want to do is, I've already created some, but let me check. I'm just gonna go here and see what we can try about. So I decided to think about very simple of an idea and just do it about Lightningcode itself. So let's get straight into adding our first thing. So I'm going to go to fun animations, and this also can be Biteable can be a very good change instead of actually having instead of actually using a presentation. But sometimes to give it facts, it may be a little bit hard to use because there's not, as I said, there is a limited amount of things that you have here in Biteable. So you could be going for different things. So now I'm just going to go here, change the background color to something a little bit more like this. Okay, and no. Code. And here is the tagline. 1 volt of learning, 2 volts of learning. And I don't necessarily have a thing. I used to just call it lightningcode.com, but I decided to make good use of this and sub to Lightningcode. That works. Okay, now I'm just gonna change this text by doing this, and let's make it a little bit more seeable. So cyan. Yeah, that seems like cyan and dark green work. And let's go to the clay explainer. This is my favorite place to use. We also have videos and images, and yeah, so here are videos, here are images, so we can even go to things like this. And these are very realistic ones. Okay, I'm just going to delete this scene though. And I'm going to go back to animations in Clay Explainer. So I'm pretty sure this is all stop motion. And now, fun icons actually. And this. So this is what we wanted. And I always start with we are Lightning Code. And then we go to the Clay Explainer. Okay, so I'm just going to say this is actually, maybe this specific scene wouldn't work for me. Maybe I could use this scene. Although it's called Bad News, I'm just gonna change that right here. So I'm gonna say, and today I will tell you about Lightning Code. So I wish that Lightningcode was a company. It's technically a future company, so we're not a company yet, but in this, I'm just gonna say that I'm a company, and I'll only release this video when I start this company, because I want the YouTube channel and the company to be linked. So I guess this will work. And now here at Lightning Code, we are looking for you to hit your goals. I'm just gonna add straight on the bullseye. That was just straight on the bullseye. Okay, but that was just an extra funny message. Okay, so now I want to say actual stuff that I give in Lightningcode. So, what things could I do with Lightningcode? I guess we do teach, so I'm just gonna find something that's showing like this. Okay. And we also teach a wide variety of things. in coding. Teacher admin things in coding. And I'm like, I'm just gonna say, Okay, so I just wrote down some examples of what we teach, which is pretty true. And then next we're going to show what else do we do here on Lightningcode that could help and do. So also help teamwork and so I purposely put a cap here because teamwork is very important here. But we also support indie devs. So what indie devs is, it's actually really big in the gaming industry, where usually to develop games, hundreds, if not thousands, of people go into working very interesting games, and they are huge games. Like I don't even know most of them, but I heard games like Zelda, but yeah, I've never really seen any of them. But huge games like that, those were made by a ton of people. But indie devs is games made just by one person, and they may not be as complex as the ones like the game I just mentioned, but they will be. But they are really changing the gaming industry. So I think I've seen some huge games like, I mean, maybe not huge, but some games that are gotten really popular, like a game I think was called Super Hot. But games like that were indie devs, that would really help. So and 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 the shift reward, which I purposely made a cap there, is huge. So if you know what this is, huge for the reward is huge for the problems that have been overcome. Okay? And I'm just gonna do one last one, and actually, so then I can say right here, even when it is a tough time, even when it is a tough time, with lightning most of the problems will get solved. So you can also ask me about anything in the comments, because that would also really tell me what we should focus on the most. And let's do the final thing, or the second to last one, which will be this. And now, now we can achieve all of our goals. Now we can achieve all of our goals. Okay? And then the final message, which I prefer, is this one. And yeah, I'm just gonna join Lightning. Join Lightningcode to progress in this journey. Okay, so now we are done with this video. So I'm just gonna click export and build watermark video. Yeah, these things right here really confuse me. Okay, that makes no sense. So some of the things in this thing right here get very confusing for me. I don't even know what that means. Well, okay, so I'm just gonna finish. Okay, so now that we have finished doing this, we have to take into account one really important thing that even I almost missed. If there was any glitch or something that, like, if you know what I mean, a typo in the thing, and you render again, it'll immediately take you to this scene. Make sure that you click rebuild video to save the changes that you just made, because if you click download watermark video after you made the changes, then after you made the changes, it won't even do. It will just download the video with the typo. So I'm just gonna click download watermark video, and well, that is it. So bye.